Hi, welcome to Sabir Life Tips. Today, our topic of interest is relationship and communication. In the journey of love and connection, one thing stands above all: communication. Communication is the bridge that connects two hearts, allowing them to truly understand each other. It's not just about talking, it's about active listening, empathy, and creating a safe space for sharing thoughts and feelings. In every relationship, there are challenges, but it's how we communicate through these challenges that defines the strength of our connection. Good communication brings joy and laughter, making even the simplest moments special. It's about being present, making time for each other, and cherishing the moments that matter. Remember, it's not just about words, it's the actions that speak volumes. So, in the grand symphony of love, let communication be the sweet melody that binds your hearts together. Because when you communicate with love, you create a love that lasts a lifetime. Subscribe to Sabir Life Tips for more interesting videos. Thank you for supporting and watching.